If you're using Windows 11 and you want to download Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the fastest and safest way possible. Chrome is one of the most popular browsers in the world, and getting it installed on your computer only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find the official download page, start the installer, and make sure you're getting Chrome from Google and not from a fake third-party site. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open any browser that is already installed on your Windows 11 PC. Most computers come with Microsoft Edge already available, so if you do not have Chrome yet, Edge is a great place to begin. You can also use another browser if you already have one installed, but the important thing is just to open something that lets you browse the web. Once your browser is open, click inside the search bar or the address bar at the top of the screen. Now type in Chrome Download PC and press Enter. This will bring up search results related to downloading Chrome for your computer. When the results load, look carefully for the official Google Chrome website. You want to make sure the link is coming from Google because that is the safest and most reliable source for the browser. Click the official Chrome website link. When the page opens, you should see the Chrome download page with the download option clearly visible. On this page, look for the button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click it. If a prompt appears asking you to confirm the download, just accept it so the installer file can begin downloading to your PC. After you click the button, the Chrome installer file will start downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download finishes, you can open the installer from your downloads area and continue with the installation process. At that point, Chrome will be ready to set up on your Windows 11 device. This is the simplest method because it takes you directly to the official download source and avoids unnecessary risks. If you ever need to reinstall Chrome later, just follow the same steps again and you'll be back up and running quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips, app downloads, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.